At the Shanghai Auto Show, Chery Tiggo 9L was introduced. Has a tough appearance and a length of 5,050 mm. At the Shanghai Auto Show, Chery's new flagship Tiggo 9L model was launched. This car is presented as a tough off-road vehicle and is equipped with a plug-in hybrid system. It has been a model that attracted attention at the auto show. Chery Tiggo 9L is the brand's new flagship model for the global market. Its design is quite surprisingly completely different from other Tiggo series models. Instead, this car adopts the design style of a tough, off-road vehicle. The body lines are tough and the shape is magnificent. There are angular body, solid bumper, widened fenders, metal pedals and higher engine hood lines. H-shaped LED headlights and large-sized Chery brand logo on the front face, along with a transitional LED light strip are used. When viewed from the sides of the vehicle, traditional door handles and thick window pillars at the rear are noticeable. The wheel arches and roof rack further enhance the vehicle's off-road features. The Tiggo 9L's dimensions are 5,050 mm long, 1960 mm wide, 1,800 mm high, and the wheelbase reaches 2,950 mm. This makes it the largest model in the Tiggo series. At the rear, there are huge stoplights, a spoiler and a large Chery lettering on both sides. When we look at the interior, there is a double-spoke steering wheel and 3 independent screens, including the central control screen, the 15.6-inch instrument panel and the co-pilot entertainment screen, while there is a 17.3-inch ceiling screen above the rear seats. The multimedia system supports artificial intelligence, offering a smarter interaction experience. In addition, the vehicle will have a built-in refrigerator and 10 airbags. The LiDAR sensor on the roof and the Chery Falcon 900 intelligence system will be responsible for the automatic assisted driving function. The software works with artificial intelligence. Chery Tiggo 9L is equipped with a plug-in hybrid system, Kunpeng Super Hybrid CDMS system, and a full-time 4-wheel drive system. The total power is 270 horsepower, and the torque is 400 Nm. It is also equipped with a 3-motor system that provides 4-wheel drive. Chery Tiggo 9L is expected to officially enter mass production and be available in the global market around the end of 2025 or 2026. It is positioned higher than the current Tiggo 9 series and focuses on the higher segment market. What do you think of this appearance?